Intercom operation. Power on the intercom and long press the function button to enter pairing mode. Insta360 connection. Pull down the Insta360 menu. Enable the Bluetooth intercom option. Select the detected ASMAX Intercom. And the connection will be completed. Voice control commands. Pull down the Insta360 menu again and enable the voice control feature. Here you can view all available command phrases. You can now use voice commands through the ASMAX Intercom to operate the camera. How to record team intercom audio. Open the ASMAXWORLD app and enable the calling join in intercom option. This allows the camera to record team intercom audio. After enabling it, pair your ASMAX Intercom with the camera. Press and hold the intercom's function button until you hear the voice prompt indicating that the intercom has started. Actual usage test. When the intercom and camera are connected, the camera uses the intercom microphone and the helmet's noise reduction advantages to clearly capture your voice while writing. All ASMAX Intercom models now support Insta360 connectivity. Give it a try.